There are many ways to scan a barcode with Simple Inventory Manager, as you can see on this picture. One of the most amazing things is to use your smartphone like your iPhone. When you download the application from the App Store, you select the one made by Dorian Arnaud, Salty Scan. When installing, you will be asked to authorize access to the camera, say yes to all the questions. Now you have four buttons. The top one left is to enter product into your stock when you receive goods. The next one output is for removing goods from the stock. The button on the left bottom is to send the data to your central SIM database. And when the data are sent, you can remove them with the delete button. On the bottom, you have information button to learn more about the software, and the parameters button that probably requires our help to customize the software without any limits. Imagine now I want to enter this chair into my stock. I will push the green input button. The camera is started. I will go to the barcode. I push on the button. I input the quantity, which by default is 1. Then the data is stored into the telephone. To synchronize with the central database, I push on the send button. The send button will send a mail, and the data is sent. It arrives to the central SIM software. We are now on the Windows PC to see how the scanning will arrive to SIM. So we have the list of products here. We have started with this patch button, the automatic scan of barcodes. Now I can look at the logbook and see that the operation is correctly made and that the quantity is correctly moved. Please visit our website, Simple Inventory Manager, for more features of this amazing software. Thank you very much.